Now, in the morning, rail corridor cycling. Let's go today. The rail corridor. Let's see my Strava, my RockBro. Early morning, 7 a.m. Great time to come to the rail corridor to cycle. Woo! A bit dark right now, so talk to you later. Awesome, isn't it? Rail corridor. Woo! Very nice. Now this place gets very crowded even on weekdays, so we try to come early to cycle if we can wake up, of course. And today's the day where we could wake up. Join me as we head on towards the Bukit Timah Railway Station part. Getting a bit brighter now. Good test for the Osmo Pocket to see what it looks like. Ciao ciao. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning. Really beautiful. So cooling. Yes. So good test of the night. Low light capability as we go through this very large underpass, which is completely unlighted, as you can see. So the RockBro light in front of me becomes very important. Otherwise you can't see if there's anything on the road. Yeah. And we emerge the other side. Isn't that fun? It is. Superb fun. As we ride into the morning, it's really nice. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Okay, talk to you later. Arriving at a beautiful storm canal area where people tend to stand here and gape and wonder. Look at this. Voila! Singapore! Woo. So beautiful! Look at that. Morning. Let me show it right to you before I finish off and head onwards towards the Bukit Timah Railway Station. Isn't that great? This is one of the most beautiful parts of the southern portion of the rail corridor. Isn't that cool? And let's go. Okay peeps, we have arrived at the old Bukit Timah station. In front of me you can see the railway tracks, and on the left is the infamous Bukit Timah sign. Can you see it? Yes, I think you can see it. Zoom out. This place has 3 tracks. Is going to be redeveloped into some kind of rest area. Be very nice when it's done, but till then, take care. Ooh. Bye bye.